Hello everyone, so it's part 2 of the video. As I said, I am going to show a Pro Booster version where you can get a $12,000 worth of strategies in just $49, and that too with the profit of $150. So you are just getting the complete amount your back along with $100 profit. So I will subscribe to that strategy. Okay, I have added to the cart. I will click on continue. Okay, we are on the continue page. Pro Booster pack is selected already. We will add the account number here, that account we are going to use. Same way, we don't need any kind of a VPS or EA to run all these strategies directly from this $49 package. We can have access of all these strategies. So I have submitted the order, and now we will go to the dashboard, click on connect, and we will select on Pro Booster. Okay, so as we have selected the strategies on yesterday, in my accounts you can see all the strategies there. If your 1 week free trial is there, okay, after that you can directly have the access of Pro Booster like this. Okay, and all these strategies you can have your access. So let's say this account is already connected here. Okay, we have selected all of the strategy. You can see from here all of the strategy is selected, and we just have to click on copy the trades. We can see currently it's $0.00. The profit target is $150. Okay, so once the 100% progress is done, we will be able to see that our $49 package is complete and we have achieved the $150 of profit target. I will click on copy trades. See, copying all the strategies. Okay, whatever the trades are currently open, you can see the drawdown here. Let me highlight that part. So from here we are getting the premium entry, and we have the option also to select like premium entry on the 5% or 10% of premium entry we can get. And our trading is started. Okay, trades are open. Let me take you to the account. All the strategies, you can see it is started. See, based on the strategy comments, we can see here twin tide, euro USD, bullion staker. Okay, multiple strategies there, and whatever the profit is done, okay, $4, $9, $15, the profit is keep on going on. These are the from rapid fire. Okay, within 2 minutes I have just selected the strategy and we can see the results. Okay, we can see the growth here in profit target as well, that how much profit is yet to go. Okay, so based on the balance booked, $10 profit is booked. This is the open position. Once the $150 profit target is done, we will be able to see, we will share that video as well, that this much profit is done, target is achieved, and you have made this much of profit. So you are getting $12,000 worth of strategy in just $49 with $150 of profit. Stay tuned and we will share once the $150 profit target is done. So as said, we will give update on $49 package, that Pro Booster we have selected on a single click. This is the account number and we can see $150 profit target is achieved. Okay, current account capital and target is achieved here. Target reached on 17th of July, ran under a day. Target reach, would you like to renew? So we can start for next pack from here for a bigger package with a bigger profit target. Same way you can have the access of all the strategy there. These are the today's trade. This is the account number and these are all the trades we entered for premium side, so the profit is higher. But we can see once the profit target is achieved, all the trades will be closed.